How's it going, all you guys and girls in the Illumination? Time to jump aboard the Loom train. It's me, it's JJD, JJ, oops, the Illuminator here. Also known by almost countless other aliases and nicknames, but we won't get into that right now. Today's vlog has a lot to do with that little kitten that you just saw. I spoiled the surprise. Yes, today my 2 new kittens have arrived. I had one of my cats pass away about 2 weeks ago, and today I got my 2 new kittens. They're brother and sister team from the same litter. And they're absolutely wonderful, and I'm going to show you them right now. Hi. Hi. Who's that? Who's that? Huh? Who's that? You're going to go down. That was Gimli. They came named already. That's Gimli. Wow. Wow. You shy? Are you shy? You were just running around like crazy. Are you shy? You're too tired now? Huh? You're too tired now? Huh, Gimli, you too tired? Oh, you spilled your food. Now you're going to eat the little crumbs on the floor. After looking like crazy for her, I finally found Lady laying here behind the love seat, kind of in the sun. She's absolutely beautiful. She's probably not going to want to come out. She's crazy, wore herself out. Of course. Come on. Come on. Come on. I want to show everyone. I want to show everyone how pretty you are. I want to show them how pretty you are. Yeah. I know. Hair just fell on you. So beautiful. Can't reach you. I'm actually 6 inches away from her. You're beautiful. This is Lady. And her little brother, Gimli. Gimli is the runt of the litter, even though he's bigger than her now, but this is his big sister. They're from the same litter. Hi. You heard me talking to your sister again? Hi. They are about 12 weeks old. And he's a little bit more apprehensive. But it's so good to get 2 from the same litter that already know each other. And then the only difference is the surroundings and the people, but pretty cool. Well, that's about it for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you all. Take care. Have a great rest of the day. Be good to each other. Live strong. Be the miracle. Keep the faith. This is the Illuminator. And I'll be back.
Please, sir, I want some more.